Sobrang bilis ng taon, sobrang bilis ng time. Hindi ko akakalain na sa 7 years na pala akong, mag-8 years na pala akong magda-dialysis. Back then, nare-remember ko when I was 16, after kong narinig yung doktor ko na magda-dialysis na ako forever. Kahit na yun yung narinig ko, iniisip ko, siguro 2 years lang yan. After 2 years, siguro may miracle na mangyayari. Magaling yung kidneys ko or something happen, mag-offer sa akin ng kidney transplant or something, right? Inisip ko na ganun, but I didn't realize na 8 years na pala, 2 years turned to 3 to 4 then to 5. Hindi ko na-expect na magiging ganito pala lahat. Didn't realize na it's gonna be like this, to a point na hindi na makapagbabalik ng pag-aaral, na I couldn't see my friends in such a long time. And I mean, maraming nabago and maraming nangyari rin na maganda. Pero it's just, things are so different. I did not expected it to go this way. Siguro ganun rin yung mga sa buhay natin. May mga bagay tayong in-expect pero di nangyari. May mga bagay tayong gustong makuha, gustong makamit, but di nangyari. We're thinking of scenarios in our head, and gustong-gusto talaga natin mangyari yun in the same way na nasa inisip natin kung ano yung scenarios na sa utak natin yun. Pero hindi rin nangyari. Hindi nangyari yun sa exact things na the way we wanted to. And sometimes life is so hard to look at it that way. Life is so painful to look at it that way. And sometimes yun yung parang takbuhan mo when things aren't moving well. You go back to imagining yourself and imagining it again. And actually naging ganun yung taon ko for 8 years. Na iniisip-isip ko lang pabalik-balik kasi ganun na lang rin yung buhay ko. Right? To a point na karamihan ng mga inisip ko hindi nangyari. Ang balikan ko na lang and ang takbuhan ko na lang is to reimagine it again. Pabalik-balik lang yung cycle. So yung time parang na-shorten siya ang perspective mo, pero yun pala 8 years na. So, yung mga ganun talagang karamihan nangyayari sa atin. And I was just so immature and naive to look at it that way. But hopefully this year, we can still hope for something better, I guess. Pero I would expect na it will get worse. But all I can really do is do something, right?